Hi guys. What are you doing? Brandon, what you doing? Is that good? You're supposed to do that? Brandon. Did you get it all over again? Annie did? You think Annie got it all over them? What you doing, Brandon? What is that? Ranch? Did you spill the ranch on the floor?
No.
Did you pour it out all over the floor? You know you're going to have to sit in timeout for a long time. You ready to go in timeout? You're not ready yet? You being a stinker? Brandon. Holy cannoli. You don't learn this from him, okay? Don't do it. Brandon, what's on your leg? Are you coloring?
You can put these on.
Did you color on anything else?
My legs.
Where else? On the wall. And the sheets. Is that naughty?
Here, put this on, Brandon.
Are you supposed to do that, buddy? No, you're not going to do it anymore, huh?
Okay, put your other leg in.
Good boy.
Put your other leg in. Okay, hold on.
What are you putting on him?